and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a quick 5-minute wig install video for you guys. This hair was sent from Unice. You can purchase this wig unit straight off of Amazon, you guys, so you'll definitely be getting quick delivery. So let's just go ahead and get into the specs of this wig unit. They sent me over their Bye Knots wig. This is their 13x4 HD lace frontal. I have it in 150% density, also in 24 inches, and I have it in a body wave texture. So as you guys could see, it comes, this is how it looks straight out the box. It's already looking good. All you really have to do is touch it up. So if you are into quick installs or glueless installs, this wig video would be for you. Also, if you like to use glue and sprays for your wig units, this one will also be like a really good wig, you guys, because you really don't have to do much to this wig unit for it to look really good. So this wig unit does come with the pre-cut lace. It also has the bleach knots, and the knots are really small. They did a really good bleaching job with this wig unit, and it also comes pre-styled as well. I actually did not use any curling tools or anything. I literally just pulled the curls out today for the sake of this hair video. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So I am just taking off those tapes. So this is going to be a 100% glueless install today. You can definitely use glue and sprays if you want to, but for the girls who really need something quick and like straight out the box, don't have much time, this could definitely work for you 100%. So I suggest using tweezers to take the tapes off and put them on as well, you guys, because any oils or even the oils from your skin, like, it would not stick at all. So I would definitely use the tweezers to apply the tapes. Now I am going in with my scissors to cut around the hairline because it does come with that kind of like zigzag shape, and you want to cut the extra lace off so it can look a little bit more natural, because I definitely thought that it came with just a tiny bit more lace than I would like. So it's definitely room to cut. And then I'm just taking my hot comb to flatten out the hair at the top, you guys. If you guys are looking for any of the products or hair tools that I use in this hair video, you can always find them down in my Amazon storefront, link down in the description box. So yeah, now here I am literally just pulling out the curls, and I literally did not have to use any curling tools or anything like that. So this was actually a very quick and easy hair install, you guys. It looks really good just from me like finger combing out those curls. I didn't feel like I needed to put any heat to my hair, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, this is like super quick and super easy. I also did I do baby hairs? I don't remember. I don't think I did. Oh yes I did. I did do baby hairs. You guys will see that at the end of this hair video. And I also did like a little claw clip situation with the hair. I didn't want to cut into the hair and layer it or anything like that. I kept it as is just to show you guys this, you know, this wig and how it looks straight out of the box and things of that such. As for the tape, it is a little bit more of on the shinier side, so you guys would definitely need to use like some powder or some foundation as well, so that it can take away from the shine from the tape. And you guys will kind of see me do that in this video here. But that is pretty much all that I have for you guys. Let me know what you think of this wig unit, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.